Hello student, in this video I will teach you how to create horizontal display ads. So click on home page and then click on ads and click on overview and you will be land on buy ad unit. So click on display ads. It is recommended by Google AdSense. So click on display ads and we have already created square unit and then we create to horizontal ad unit. So click on horizontal and make sure that it is responsive, not to fix, because the fixed size ad unit may limit the number of ads available and can thereof result in lower earning than responsive. The responsive is the most useful and the fixed size unit is less in revenue. So be sure to it is responsive and click on horizontal and write your ad name unit. So I have created this ad unit for mobile internet packages. So write in horizontal. First you write your ad name, horizontal ad for mobile net. It is my website. Mobile net is my website. 111 number, because I have already created mobile this ad unit for mobile net. So it is my third ad unit for this website. So horizontal ad for mobile net and then click on verify horizontal, click on horizontal and then click on create. So my ad unit will be created and I have copy this code and then click on done. And now I show you how to look like this ad unit. So it is my square ad unit and I have replaced this from horizontal unit and copy paste and I have show you. So click on preview. The preview will be shown in this area. So it is loaded. HTML and preview. So the ad unit will be loaded. So it's look like that. It is an horizontal ad unit and then update your website. So in this video I have teach you how to create a horizontal auto ad. So thank you for watching this video.